Welcome to Best Productly. Top 5 Best Reciprocating Saw. We are going to check out top 5 best reciprocating saw in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion. And I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this reciprocating saw, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 5.
TACKLIFE Classic Reciprocating Saw, Sawzall with rotary handle, left and right 90, 0 to 2800 SPM Saber saw, 2 blades, wood 6 THCS, metal 14 TBIM, carrying case, LED lights, ideal Recip saw for DIY. Prime Day promotion sale, save 20% off. Unique design? 3 positions of the rotary handle for added flexibility. Efficient cuts and variable speed trigger, 7-up motor delivers 0 to 2800 strokes per minute and 1-1/8, 28mm, stroke length for an efficient job. Variable speed trigger and adjusting speed knob allow users to choose the speed for different projects. Rotary handle, by pressing the button, you can rotate the handle of the TACKLIFE reciprocating saw 90 to the left or right to achieve the cutting direction adjustment of the saw blade. This design enables more comfortable cutting and improved versatility. Tool-less blade change and pivoting foot, tool-less blade change for easy operation, saving time and effort. The pivoting foot adjusts the support angle for different working seams and provide additional stability when cutting hard materials.
Top 4.
BLACK+DECKER BDCR20C20V Max Reciprocating Saw with battery and charger. Variable speed trigger for increased control. Pivoting shoe for increased control. Tool-free blade change. Part of BLACK+DECKER 20V Max system.
Check out the description for more information and latest price. Top 3.
WORX WX550L920V Axis 2-inch-1 Reciprocating Saw and Jigsaw with Orbital mode, variable speed and tool-free blade change. Share batteries and save money. WORX 20V Max Lithium battery and 20V battery charger not included when purchasing Axis tool only.
Top 2.
TACKLIFE Advanced 12V Max Reciprocating Saw with 1500 mAh Lithium-Ion battery. Cordless reciprocating saw includes clamping jaw, variable speed, battery indicator, 1-hour fast charger. 1-hour fast charge and exceptional clamping jaw. Included rechargeable lithium-ion battery pack allows fast full changing within an hour, a sustainable use for about 30 minutes. Equipped with clamping jaw can increase friction in operation, easy to control the cut position and provide effective security guarantee for users. Variable speed trigger and battery indicator. Variable speed trigger with 0 to 2500 RPMs provides increased blade control and faster cut speed. Power indicator display battery power, which allows you to know the remaining power anytime and charge it in time to avoid delays your work. Lightweight and one-handed design. With only 12 inches and 3.4 pounds, TACKLIFE 12E Max Cordless Reciprocating Saw utilizes compact and lightweight design for superior control and versatility in tight spaces and make it possible to operate by one hand.
Top 1.
Dual DCS 387B 20V Max Compact Reciprocating Saw. Compact and lightweight design. Fits between studs and allows users to make cuts in confined spaces. 4-position blade clamp allows for flush cutting. 1-1/8 stroke length delivers faster cutting speed. Variable speed trigger with 0 to 2900 SPM. Battery and charger sold separately.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.